Today you're making burgers and fries, but with a twist. Inspired by the viral trend and, of course, the Midwest Juicy Lucy. A burger patty stuffed with cheese and decadent flavors, but that's not all. The burger must be giant-sized, absolutely ginormous, massive, huge, colossal, monstrous. You get it. And of course, with a burger, we need fries, so you are also challenged to make a side of fries, inspired by the popular TikTok carrot fries. You can make them from anything you want that is not a potato or a potato. So silence your stovetops and preheat your phones because I want a burger that's so big you can see it from space. Go!
I have never done a burger this big. You know, you don't want to cook it all the way through, and you don't want it to be raw. So this is gonna be a challenge.
Cara, what are you working on over there?
I'm thinking bacon, blue cheese, shallot stuffed.
Love it.
And I'm gonna go for fried squash and zucchini fries in cornmeal.
Sounds pretty good.
That sounds good.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
Sounds very good.
So Frankie, what kind of cheese are you gonna use?
I think I'm just gonna go straight up American.
What's the vessel? Like, how are you serving this gigantic thing?
So I have this giant piece of challah.
Whoa.
Nice.
It's intimidating to make a big burger.
So I know this is supposed to be super wide, but a Juicy Lucy's actually pretty thin. Yeah, I'm just trying to make it bigger than this bun because I'm really worried about shrinkage.
That's what she said.
Look at that bag, boy.
Oh my goodness.
I already stuffed it,
Okay.
and I was trying to get a goo with the Gruyere cheese mixed with the gorgonzola, so it'll be a little melty instead of just, you know, blue cheese.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
All right, I tried. Hey, we recovered. Yeah, I was ambitious, I know.
Wow.
Cara, how's it going over there?
I mean, we're about to find out.
Oh, you're about to flip that bad boy?
I don't know how I feel about it.
Oh! Oh,
Okay.
yeah!
Lord, that gave me, whew, that was stress.
Come on.
I decided to do a squash and zucchini fry in cornmeal batter with a dipping sauce. Okay, fries are good.
I feel like you've been cooking that burger a while. It's really not done?
It's gonna be juicy.
You know what I think is really interesting that's not happening on either of these burgers? Cheese on top. Know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like cheeseburger.
You messing with me right now? I just can't tell.
I'm gonna go yes.
3 minutes to get those burgers banging and those cheeses melted.
Oh boy. Ah!
He's got it. Damn.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice
There we go.
job.
Frankie, tell us about your stuffed burger.
So I made you a giant Juicy Lucy. It's got some bacon, Jack Daniel, onion center. And then if I'm not gonna have fried potatoes, I want fried onions. So you just have some fried onions.
Here we go. Might as well cut this like a cake, huh?
Yeah.
That looks
Oh
nice.
my goodness.
The onion straws are delicious. They're really good. I'm actually really glad that you stepped away from the beer batter. My complaints are the bread is like so much bread. You kind of lose the sauce a little bit.
Cara, tell us about your ginormous burger.
I did gorgonzola and shallots caramelized and bacon on the inside with a Worcestershire butter sauce and kind of soak the bun in that. And then your fries are zucchini and squash with like a spicy, mustardy sauce on the side.
Dun, dun, dun. There we go. It is cooked.
Yeah.
The bun to burger ratio here is a little bit better.
Yeah.
I have a little ooze happening on mine. You can see it.
I mean,
It's really well cooked. I actually think you could have gotten away with some more blue cheese though. And I also think you could have added more onion. The shallots are just lost. I just, yeah, I don't really.
I wish there was some more blue cheese in the middle, but other than that, great job. You both did a wonderful job with this challenge, but we may only crown one the Burger Lord. And the winner is... Frankie.
Yay,
That was fun.
Frankie.
That was really
nice
fun.
job, Frankie.
It's always nice when it's over, win or lose. Really fun challenge. So much fun to compete against Cara.
You both did a great job. Frankie, I think the reason that we chose you is you just really got the juicy of the Juicy Lucy better.
Frankie, your bravery today has been unmatched. I salute you. And I give you the trophy of knives and spoons and forks.